The number of COVID-19 cases in Fresno County has now doubled. Health officials announced 3 more cases today, bringing the total number to 6. CBS 47's AJ Cotto joins us live in downtown Fresno. AJ, despite these numbers, they say the risk of transmission is still low.
Ken, that's right. Staff here are looking at the numbers, but they say they're also looking at how the virus is being spread throughout the community. They say that plays a big role on the risk factor.
Positive COVID-19 cases steadily growing in Fresno County, doubling from 3 to 6 Friday. Right now, the county has no community spread cases and says this makes transmission risks low, but that may change at any moment.
The risk goes high whenever we see evidence of community transmission, which we know we're just on the cusp of that.
2 of the 3 newly confirmed cases are people who recently went on a cruise. The third is an elderly person who visited a relative with the virus in the Bay Area. The department recognizes anxiety grows as cases do.
This is a lot about a virus and a lot about its impact on humans, but it also is having a lot of impact on our day-to-day lives that is concerning to all of us.
Department staff say they know people want to be tested, but right now priority must go to those in high-risk categories.
And that's what really needs to be the message for the community that they need to hear, is that the test is not the most important part of the COVID infection. Spacing is. Space yourselves out. Prevent getting it in the first place.
The health department has been working closely with the medical community to make sure everyone has the proper guidelines and support needed, and say keeping supplies like masks and gloves stocked is a priority.
Right now we do not have a shortage. We have enough to take care of what we're doing. It's just that as this grows and gets a little bit more significant, that's where we start worrying that personal protective equipment will be available.
As of now, the department's tested several hundred people, but hope to make more tests available to the public.
These 3 new cases, they say they're following up with anyone who might be at risk. Reporting live in downtown Fresno, AJ Cotto, CBS 47 Eyewitness News.